How to use MyFitnesspal when eating out. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. Now, if you are eating out in a restaurant and you want to track that, MyFitnesspal app has released a new feature in which you can track the restaurant login. You can quickly and easily log the restaurant items, view the calorie and nutrition information from the menus, call up a map of nearby restaurant menus at a glance with this feature. To access this new feature, all you have to do is open the MyFitnesspal app, then tap on the blue plus button at the bottom, tap Food, then you want to select which meal you would like to log. Now tap the location icon to the right of the search bar. After that, you will be able to enjoy your restaurant logging. If you do not see a menu item in the app, you can request it. FitnessPal app is constantly adding new menus to the application. If you do not find the feature of restaurant logging in your MyFitnessPal app, then there is no reason to worry since this feature is slowly rolling out and it will be updated in your application soon. All you have to do is wait for some time and keep on updating your application. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.